I always wanted to do my own home theater, but I always thought it was too expensive. In this video I show you how I pulled this off for less than $100. The three main components for a home theater are a screen, a Blu-ray player and a receiver. I fixed up a broken TV, so basically got it for free. As Blu-ray player I'm using an Xbox, which I already had, and finally you need a home theater receiver, which I bought from Salvation Army. To get the sound you're looking for in a home theater, you need to have an array of speakers. Don't worry, for the most part you can get by with what you already have sitting somewhere in the corner of your basement. You need two front speakers, one center speaker, two surround speakers, and optionally either two rear surround for a 7.1 system or two overhead speakers for a 5.1.2 system. And finally, the subwoofer. Choose the better speakers as your fronts. Even though you could technically live without a subwoofer, I'm telling you, this is the best investment if you want to enjoy action movies. Well, that's it. So what did I pay for the setup? Assuming you already have a couch, a TV, and a player, and some old speakers, you only need to invest in a receiver, a decent center speaker, and a subwoofer, and some speaker wire to get it all connected. I got the receiver from Salvation Army for 30 bucks, found the subwoofer on Facebook Marketplace for 15, the center speaker for 35, and bought 14 gauge wire from Amazon for 20. The TV is elevated on empty soup cans to make room for the center speaker. I built a rear speaker mounts by bending the metal of old yard signs. So I spent 100 bucks to get a surround sound home theater experience. And what can I say? Watching a movie is so much better than it used to be. As you can see, I also wanted to create some atmosphere in the movie room with an interactive movie poster hanging from the wall. Here I spent 25 bucks for a 42-inch TV from Facebook Marketplace, $18 for a wall mount, and I used a Raspberry Pi for the images. I also added some LED strips on the floors, which are nice when the room is dark. Oh, and I printed some movie posters too. At this point, a word of caution. After I had this basic setup installed, I started looking how to improve the experience. I'm going to update this screen to a 92-inch projector screen, and I'm already looking for tower speakers to swap out the two front speakers. And if I come across an inexpensive used Dolby Atmos receiver, I will add overhead speakers for sure. Hope you got some inspiration for your own home, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.